Last day we had seen meaning of ledger, format of ledger, then posting, then how to post the transaction. So what do you mean by ledger? What do you mean by ledger, Aparna?
Collection or set of accounts, and it is a book where the transactions of similar nature are grouped together in one account in the form of an account.
Yes, so it is a book where transactions of similar nature are recorded. That is ledger. Hadi, Atul, Aditya, turn on your video. So what do you mean by posting? What do you mean by posting? Karthik, what do you mean by posting? What do you mean by posting? I can't hear it. Hanna, what do you mean by posting?
Putting the entries from the journal.
Yes, journal to ledger. Okay, the process of transferring entries from the journal to the ledger is called posting. Okay, then we studied the format. So what are the columns contained in the ledger? Anat?
The date, particulars, JF,
JF full form?
uh, ja, uh,
Journal folio number.
journal folio number, date, particulars, then again JF amount.
Okay, okay. Two sides, left hand side and the right hand side. So both side, date, particulars, JF, journal folio number, page number of journal. Okay. So today I am going to continue the same problem. So already we did the cash account. Okay. So next account will be cash account we prepared. Next one, it will be goods account. Goods account. Goods account. Goods account. So what is the first entry we did? Cash account debtor, goods account debtor to capital. Cash account debtor, goods account debtor to capital account. Okay. So Aditya, so goods account. So where I have to post capital means goods account. Now we are preparing goods account. So which side I have to write the transaction? So first entry, cash account debit, goods account debit to capital. So where I have to post? Aditya. Aditya. Tomlin, Aditya, turn on your video. Irfan, Hadi, Atul. Tomlin, where I have to post? Debit or credit side?
Debit side.
Yes. So debit side we have to write opposite aspects. So what I have to write? So November. So 1/11/2014 to capital account. To capital account. Amount is 50,000. Okay. So no other goods account. So now we will balance the goods account. Only one side is there. So that total you have to write in both sides. Okay, then closing date we have to write by balance CD. By balance CD. Amount will be same amount because no other transactions. Okay, so goods account is over. Only one entry. Goods account debtor to capital. Goods is debit. So debit side opposite aspect we have to write amount 50,000. Next, which account? So first entry over cash account debit, goods account debit, then to capital. So next which account we have to prepare? Which account? Cash over, goods over. Next which account we have to prepare?
Account.
Capital account. Okay, so next we will prepare capital account. Next, capital account. Capital account. So first entry will be cash account debit, goods account debit to capital. And so where I have to write the transaction in capital account, whether capital account is debit or credit? Credit. So credit side what I have to write? By Anjo, by what I had to put? By cash. So first 11/2014 by cash account. So he brought cash 1,50,000 and the same date he brought goods also 50,000. Okay, so this will be the total capital. So 2 lakh. So that amount you have to write in both sides. 2 lakh. So closing date we have to write to balance CD. To balance CD 2 lakh. Okay, so this year closing balance will be next year opening balance 1/12/14 by balance PD. By balance BD 2 lakh. Okay, so cash account over, goods account over, then capital account over. So now second entry. So what is the second entry? Karthik, what is the second entry? Second, November 3rd.
Sir, purchase account debtor to Harish account.
Yes, purchase account to Harish. So next which account we have to prepare? Next which account?
Purchase account.
Yes, purchase account. Next Harish account. So now first we will prepare purchase account. Okay, purchase account. Purchase account. Purchase account we will prepare. Date particulars. Next, so purchase account debit to Harish. Irfan. So where I have to record the transaction in purchase account, debit or credit? Purchase account debit to Harish account. Which side? There was a power failure. Okay, so we'll continue. In that entry, purchase account is debit. So purchase account debit. So debit side we have to write third 3, 11, 14 to Harish account, to Harish account, because in that entry debit. So amount will be 30,000. Okay, amount will be 30,000. Now amount will be 30,000. So now you check any other purchase, not purchased furniture. Purchased furniture is different. Purchased goods, anything is there? Okay, so one thing you have to remember, only cash account have more item. Okay, other all only 1, 2, 3, 5, that much only. Okay, so no other purchase, no? Any other purchase? Aparna, Anat, any other purchase? No. So we will balance. So we will balance the purchase account. So debit side is more. Again, there was a power failure. Okay, we'll start. So purchase account, no other purchase, then we will balance. Over, balance is over now. Then you can balance. Credit side you can write by balance CD. Then to balance, first April 2012, 2014, you can write first December 2014, you can write to balance BD, that is same amount. Okay, now we will prepare Harish account. Is it correct? Harish. Next is Harish account. Harish. Next, Harish account. Harish account. Any doubt? Any doubt you can ask? Harish account. So in that entry, purchase account to Harish. Shubham, where I have to write in Harish account that transaction? Purchase account to Hari. Credit or debit I have to write? Where I have tried? And where I have tried? Here connection problem. Karthik, debit or credit?
Credit.
Wrong. Shubham, wrong. Purchase account debit to Harish. We are preparing Harish account. So in that entry, Harish is credit. So credit side you have to write by purchase account, by purchase account 30,000, by 30,000, by purchase 30,000. Next, any other entry related to Harish? November 10, one entry is there. November 10, cash paid to Harish. That means Harish account debtor to cash to discount. No, Harish account to cash. It is correct. Harish account to cash, November 10. So where I have to write Anjo, debit or credit? We are preparing Harish account.
Debit.
Yes, debit side. Debit side you have to write to Harish account to cash. To cash 15,000. To cash 15,000. Then any other transaction related to Harish? Anat, any other transaction?
Yes, sir.
22.
22.
So where I have to write debit or credit? I am preparing Harish account. So where?
Credit.
No, we are preparing Harish account. In that entry, we have to look only that account, whether Harish is debit or credit.
Debit.
Debit. So debit side. So one thing you have to remember, which account we are preparing. Then you have to look in that entry, that account is debit or credit. If it is debit, debit side opposite aspect. If it is credit, credit side opposite aspect. Okay, so 22, 11, 14, 2, cash, to cash account 14,700, same date, to discount account 300 over. So both sides are equal because in full settlement, so no balance, no need to find balance. Okay, because both sides are equal. Next, so purchase account over, Harish account over. Next entry, what is next entry, Aparna? Cash account to sales. Already we prepared cash account. Okay, already we prepared. So next account, which account we have to prepare?
The sales account.
Sales account. Okay, sales account. Sales account. Sales account. So in that entry, sale is debit or credit? Yes, credit. Yes. 5, 11, 14 by cash. Opposite aspect, by cash 12,000. By cash 12,000. By cash 12,000. By cash 12,000. Next, any other sales? Any other sales? Which date?
15th.
Yes, 15th. 15th also one sale is there by cash account. By cash account amount is 15,000. amount 15,000. Next, any other sale? Any? Any sale? No. Okay, then we will balance. Any?
25.
Okay, 25. Nitish accounted to sales. 25. Okay, 25. Nitish accounted to sales. So sale is credit, debit is Nitish. Credit sale. By Nitish account, amount 7,000. Okay, 7,000. So it will be 34,000. 34,000. So which side is less? Closing date you have to write. To balance CD. To balance CD 34,000. So this year closing balance will be next year opening balance 11214 by balance BD 34,000. So sales account over. Any doubts? Hadi, any doubt related to any account? Posting any doubt? Hanna, Irfan. Hadi, any doubts? Hadi. Hadi, if you have any doubt, you can clear. Hadi, any doubts?
No.
Okay. Irfan. Irfan.
Sir.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Shubham Pal. Shubham. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So sales account is over. Next one. So that entry. Next one. Next entry. Furniture account to cash. Cash already we prepared. So next which account we have to prepare? Next account which account? Oh yes, furniture. So furniture account. It is very easy. So one thing you have to look at which account we are preparing. Then you look the journal, whether it is debit or credit. So furniture account to cash. So where I have to write debit or credit? It is not a LF, JF. Where I have to write? Debit side. So debit side 8, 11, 14 to cash account. To cash account. So it will be 5,000. It will be 5,000. Any other furniture? Any? No. No furniture. Okay. So furniture account to cash over. Next, Harish account to cash. Harish also be prepared. Cash also be prepared. Okay. Next, sundry expense account to cash. So next, which account we have to prepare? Which account we have to prepare next? Yes. Sundry expenses. Sundry expenses. Okay. So sundry expenses 13th date 13, 11, 14 to debit only sundry expense to cash account 200. Any other sundry expense? No. 200, 200, Closing date you have to write by balance CD. By balance CD 200. Next, first 12, 14 to balance BD. To balance BD 200. Okay? Clear? Now, you have to prepare. I will tell the accountant that you have to prepare. So no need of no need to write a journal entry. 17th question you need to. So this you have to complete. I will tell what are the account you have to prepare. So you write sundry expense account to cash over, cash next cash account to sales over, bank account. Next you have to prepare. I will tell that account you have to prepare. Bank accounts. Bank account to cash already prepared. Next drawings account to cash. Drawings account. Bank account. Drawings account. Next Harish account to Harish account already prepared to cash over. Discount account. Discount. Okay. Discount account. So if you have any doubt you can ask me. Discount account. Next Nitesh account. Nitesh account. Nitesh account. Nitesh account. Next Cartage account. Cartage account. Rent account. Next Nitesh over, discount over, okay. Salary account. Salary account. Okay. So if you have any doubt, only this you have to do, ledger. Okay. No need to do 17. 17 we will do. You will start here. So that account you have to prepare. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Clear? Thank you.